Hello guys and welcome to episode 2 of how to make a hacked client, or whatever you want to call it. Please note this is only for educational purposes and I do not expect you to go out there and trash every single server you see. Anyway, moving on. So I've decided we're going to start off with maybe some nice little keybinds. So for keybinds, well, there's a few things that we're going to need to do. We're going to need to make a toggle thing. So I'll tell you what. We need to find net.minecraft. Let's just have a look. Client, there we are. And inside of here, I'm just going to make a class called hacks. Now inside of here, we're going to have a few variables. Oh, not variables. Oh, I can't have that format. Can I have that? Nope. General, editors, text editors, colors and fonts. 12. This is just outrageous. Okay, so we're gonna make a few. Well, I don't actually know what the proper name for them is, but I'm gonna call them variables, even though they don't vary. So public, static, boolean, menu. And then we're just going to set it as false. Public static boolean HighJump equals false. Public static boolean step. We're going to make a few here. Just follow along. Should I do traces and ESP? Or should I not? Well, we'll just leave it at that in a minute. So these are all the hacks that we're going to have. We're going to have a menu screen, HighJump, step, and X-ray. We'll get into more complicated stuff later. So firstly, we need to go make the keybinds for this. So just go down here, into Minecraft. Turn line numbers on, of course. And well, I'm just going to search some key. Event key. Is this it? Yeah, this is it. Okay. So what we need to do, we're just going to go in here. I'm just going to make a few things. If. No, I want to go up here actually. Stay with all the Minecraft stuff. Just gonna put that up here. It doesn't really matter where you put this, just as long as it's near here. If keyboard dot get event key is equal to, and let me go get some up on the internet. I'll be right back. And we are back. I was just looking for a page like this. I'll be messing about with a bit of stuff in Eclipse in the meanwhile as well. So the menu is going to be M, which is 50. So if it is 50, hacks.menu equals the opposite of hacks.menu. Simple. So we're just going to copy this a few times. And we're going to do if it is the value of. Right, I'm going just to this hacks thing. HighJump can be Z. Step can be C, and X-ray can be X. So Z is 44. 45 is X-ray. I'm going to keep it in like some sort of order. And what was the other one we wanted? C. 46. So this is dot HighJump. Hacks dot HighJump. We just changed our sound. I'll explain what this means in a moment. and hex.x. Yeah. Okay, so pretty much what this means here is, I'm just going to explain this one because all the others are the same as this. So this here means if you press the key and its value is 50, the value of 50 is M. So hacks.menu is equal to the opposite of hacks.menu. So let's say hacks.menu equals, now let's say hacks.menu is currently true. In reality, it will be equal to false, because non-true is false, if you know what I mean. If not, well, all it's doing is saying if it's true, make it false. If it's false, make it true. It's the concept behind it that matters. So now what we need to go do, we need to go find GUI in game. GUI. There we are. Now we need to go find something. Looking for something very particular. No, that's not GUI in game. That's just GUI. GUI in game. There we are. Render game overlay. Here's where we're gonna do it. So I'm just gonna do it here. So, if menu. Oh, actually, no. I need to change a few things. I want to make it so that you can only activate these hacks when menu is on. So pretty much that means if the key 44 is pressed and hacks.menu is true, then yes, you are allowed to do that. If not, it just won't do anything. And so here we need to do if menu, no, hacks.menu, then, well, we'll do that in a minute. If hacks.HighJump, else, just gonna do it like this. Step and dot X-ray. So what we need to do here, we need to type var a.draw string, and we need to type menu. Let's just call it menu. 2 across, and then we can just have it like 2 down. And for this, I'm just gonna have it as 0 times ff0000. I believe that is red, but don't quote me on that. And then down here, I'm just gonna copy and paste that. Put that as 12, so we're gonna add up 10 onto that, and I will explain what all this means in a minute. Just give me a moment and I'll explain. Okay, so pretty much what this means is when the hacks.menu thing is true, which we get true from these toggles down here, then what we want to do, we want to draw on the screen in the position 2, which is in your corner up here somewhere, the colour that is 0 times ff0000. I think that's red. We just want to write out menu. So down here, if HighJump is true, we want to write down HighJump, and then that's just like the key for it, at these coordinates with this colour. So let me just like continue drawing out all this. Step is C, I believe I put it as. It will be 22. And that'll be ff0000. I know one of these are the right way around, I just don't know which one. So yeah, just if you're face spamming right now, I'm a noob at this, so yeah, just call me a noob in the comments. You have my permission. And that can be 32. And that can be 0 times ff0000. So now if we run this, just gonna wait for it. Yep, there's the console. So now if I just call this, you know what, YOLO. So now if we just wait, patience is the virtue of life. It's also the bane of it. First 60. I'm just setting out all my settings. GUI scale normal. Okay, so if we click M right now, we have a menu in the top corner. All of these things are true by default, and we can just toggle them as we please. Now, as you see, it says HighJump twice. That's just because we forgot to change something. So if we close this off, did we make them true by default? No, we made them false by default. It was the color codes we got wrong. Should have known better. Like this, and this will just need to be called step there. And now that is ready, now if we run that, it should start red, the menu should be green, and if not, it shouldn't be visible. This is just a cool way in case one of the admins comes up to you, hey, we believe you have hacked clients, do not log out and show me a screenshot of your screen, or whatever. I've seen it happen before. So here we have menu. 0 times 0, 0, 0, 0. And that changed because we're in debug mode. So now we can toggle these as we please. So in the next episode we are going to work on, I was gonna say, should we do a Fulbright as well? We'll add a Fulbright at some point. Next episode we are going to do a HighJump. So just be sure to stay tuned for that, because it's going to be really cool. So I've been Callum, and thank you for watching.